we had another officer, because we're just here parked, and I know someone called saying we're street racing, but he was even monitoring us. Story time. A little bit of a change of pace. I have slowed down on making some videos just because something life-changing did happen. Now, okay, let's start from the beginning. First, it started off as when I was a little baby fetus and I knew that I was gonna grow up and become successful. So my teacher always asked, what do you want to be when you grow up? And I responded, I want to be a YouTuber and be famous. Well, at least I became a YouTuber, not famous. Because I started YouTube, I started working on my 370Z, which then led to me linking up with some cool people, and I met a person at Miami Z Parts, which then led to us just kind of dicking around and talking about, hey, what should be the next move? Because initially I was supposed to turbo the 3.7 and that was supposed to be the play for YouTube content. Well, life is a little random. You never know what you're gonna get. Instead, we decided to VR swap my 370Z, which we thought was gonna be a lot more of a headache. In fact, it was. The thing is, because I VR swapped my car, I linked up with Boosted Motion and Enthusiast Point of View, which then Enthusiast Point of View started working at Z1, and Enthusiast was like, yo dog, what if, and hear me out fool, you work with me at Z1. Bam. And at first we laughed. I ended up sending in an application and they accepted me for an interview. So we went to Georgia. I went to Atlanta, not necessarily to talk to Z1, but just to hang out with Enthusiast Point of View and Boosted Motion, Speed Culture Studios, and Bradford White, which is 2Fitted. If you guys haven't seen that video, just go to the last one. Okay, continuing. Randomly linked at Z1, and all of a sudden I just had an in-person interview, and it kind of went like this. What the ha! Surprise interview, sucker! What the hell's going on? I'm John, and this is my boy Junior Enthusiast Point of View. Yeah. What? Why are we? Shut up! We ask the questions here. Why are we in the bathroom? Shit! What did I just say? Not important. I ask the questions here. What? When can you start? May or may not have been a little dramatic about that, but it kind of mostly went like that. But to my surprise, after just shooting my shot, I actually got an offer to work with Z1 Motorsports. Now, how does that change anything? Well, it changes a whole lot, because as you can tell, if you don't know, I live in Miami, which Z1 Motorsports is more closer to Atlanta than Miami. So that means that I have to move. So what's the play? The play is to get my car as done as possible here, and I'm gonna try and finish it up once I get over there in my own garage. And also, I would have to pack my stuff and my family and move near Atlanta, Georgia, which I'm leaving a cool hot spot where a lot of people vacation for a really cold tundra. I don't even know what's in Atlanta, so if I'm disrespecting anybody, I went there and I enjoyed it. I actually had a lot of fun. You guys were dope. I'm gonna see you guys a lot. Now we are gonna be Georgia Peaches, and yeah, I couldn't be more excited to work with Z1. Everybody there was super cool. I met a lot of people in person. I got to meet Enthusiast Point of View in person, John in person. John's super cool. Can't wait to have a roast sesh. And yeah, I don't know, that's kind of it. So long story short, that's it in a nutshell. I didn't want to make it just like some really long dramatic video, but I did plan on throwing a meet before I go, because you know I like to go out with some pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? We're throwing a meet, which this video is coming out I think on Friday or maybe later, I'm not sure. Yeah, you know, because sometimes I kind of little, you know, I don't know, I have no excuse. Sometimes I just get lazy with this. So I'm trying to get more on track with the YouTube postings. I know my content has been kind of posting less and less. Is that rain? Okay, well, whatever. Freaking, I live near an airbase. I'm throwing a meet there. I'm gonna show a lot of footage from that also in this video, because I just wanted to do like a big going away thing, because I spent this week, that's why I haven't posted much, trying to hang out with family, friends, and then also just take care of things that I have to, because obviously I'm leaving the state. So as you guys can see, there are no cars out front. Literally every car I own is gone. The only, well, I mean, I would love to do a cold start for you guys, but I have literally been dicking around with this car so much that I killed the battery. No cold start today. We'll be that typical YouTuber that's like, my neighbors are gonna hate me. We'll do that in Atlanta. But for now, there's actually something I need to take care of. I don't know if you guys have ever had to use the actual key for your car, but the interior of my car is actually very gross, and there are a couple of things that I need to get rid of, and a couple of things I need to clean up, then a couple of things I need to put in the rear of this car because it's getting trailered up to Atlanta. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with actually taking out the seat. I'm gonna take off that shift boot because I'm actually gonna get a different one, plus it kind of obligates me to just hurry up and buy it already. And we are actually going to That was there's a spider web in my car, bro. I touched it. I'm actually gonna take out the carpet to this car because on the other side, I actually forgot to plug up the hole where the cords come through for the ECU, and it kind of just soaked that side and made it smell like an absolute butthole in my car. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out and rip out the carpet. So it's gonna be gutted a little bit more. Alright, so I'm not gonna make a montage of me ripping out the interior, but I just honestly, alright, I started on the passenger side, and I'm not sure if you can get it on camera, but this is why I wanted to just do this and double check. And notice how I almost touched that and I got grossed out. There are literally dead larvae and ants like all over my wiring. There's a pool right there. This insulation is all soaked. There's like eggs and like things just floating around. Now granted, they're all dead, so I killed them a while ago, but all that insulation is literally filled with like dead ants. So I'm glad to cut weight and all that, but I'm also glad to kind of get a deep clean on this car because that is absolutely disgusting, and I've been saying that for weeks, but after the month or 2 months about talking about it, that's getting cleaned out. These wires are getting cleaned out and shortened. And yeah, so we're gonna just it's very simple to take all this stuff out. I'm not gonna make it a how-to. To be honest, I just lifted up the center console and I started just cutting, and then you can pull it out. If you have no intention of reusing the carpet, the condition of it doesn't really matter. So there's little pieces I still have to get out from the center. I'm gonna pull out from the other side, and we should be good to go from there. But yeah, take care of your car, guys, because that's pretty gross. Run, little baby, run. So okay, like an hour later, here I am. So this, car's already gutted. There's certain things I'm gonna retain for now, just because, I mean, I want to say fully gutted, but it's not fully gutted because I still have the headliner, I still have center console and the bolstering here on the side. But I think I'm gonna keep that because it's mainly about comfort, because my knees actually do hit the side of this a lot, so I want to make sure that I'm not just, you know, destroying my legs as I drive. Whatever. Also, like I said, shift boot is also off. I'm going to leave it like that. It gives me more incentive to just go ahead and buy a new one and fix it. So yeah, here we are. Let me see if I can go ahead and show you guys. Oh, all right. Didn't lock it. And you guys, if you don't know, I already got the Brom harness bar, so I'm gonna still keep my subwoofer just because I know a lot of people are like, oh, but the sound of the exhaust, that's my music. Well, that's not my music. I actually really like music a lot, so I'm gonna keep my sub, but then when the days come where it's like track days and all that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. It's no big deal. It's just a clip and spin this off. All right, so it's that simple. I think from this point, another thing I'm gonna do too, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it off camera. Finally gonna spray these calipers. Once I get to Z1, I'm gonna change these rotors as well too. You could just drive and it's gonna clean the surface, but yeah, I'd rather just get drilled rotors now and out the way, and just kind of clean up, get center caps, paint this now. Just make this car visually pleasing, but also very light. Hold on. So, I never claimed to be the most intelligent man, not even remotely close to being smart. Anyone who knows my car notice anything different? Bruh. So, as you can see from the tools I had to use now, I did have that microfiber. But yeah, the duckbill kind of gave a fight, and it was Noir versus duckbill, and I think duckbill might have won. So I don't know. I might just give this to someone at the meet just because. I don't know who would want it, but I'm gonna take it just in case. Now my car got no booty, a little bit of damage from the duckbill and all that, but this can all just polish out. Whatever. So we're getting set for the meet right now. I'm gonna try and just make it kind of like a hangout, not record so much, so that way I can show everybody. But yeah. The war was lost, gentlemen. Alright, hold on. Bro, I can't even, bro, we didn't even do anything. Oh, wait, let me talk to this motherfucker. I don't know. Hold on.
Oh, he has to move.
Oh, okay. Because we had another officer, because we're just here parked, and I know someone called saying we were street racing, but he was even monitoring us, and we just sat.
This is a county-owned lot. We've been instructed to clear it out, so you guys gotta go.
We can't just like hang out at all?
This is a county-owned bus lot.
Damn, bus?
Yep. This is a county-owned bus lot.
Well, it's because of this.
You gotta clear out. Alright?
Alright.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, but that's crazy, because we're...
Go to Eldorado.
Huh?
Eldorado down the street.
We're probably just gonna head out then, because that's crazy, bro. Bro, I didn't even get to say what's up to you, bro. Be safe, man.
Hey.
Bro, that's... That's... Bro.
Hey.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, tomorrow morning.
What are we gonna do next weekend?
I'm gonna, I guess, head out home. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Dude, I'm sorry. Everything died out. Hey, Roger. Later, bro.
Good luck, man.
Thank you, guys. That shit makes no sense, bro. Like, they kicked us out because they're saying that it's county owned, that we can't be here. But I'm like, bro.
Hey, what do you want to do?
Huh? If you get, dude, they clamped down on us, bro. So now the thing is, I brought my car on a trailer, so it just looks really bad, man. Hey, thank you. Oh, hey, dude, this is sick, man. Oh, look, let me show the vlog, dude, because you always give me the coolest stuff. So look at this, bro. Another Rick and Morty item. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Hey, I'm sorry I got shut down early, man. I'm sorry, bro. Oh, look, it's car. Oh, look, dude, that's cool, bro. Look at that. That's so cool. He likes the car. Thank you, babe. So, all right, okay. Thank you, bro. So, thank you, dude. So we're just gonna pack up. We have to get out of here. I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm sorry, I didn't even get a montage or anything. Like, the meet lasted like an hour, but thank you guys for watching. I'm really excited. I'm sad to leave, but thank you to anybody that showed up. I'll see you guys soon. I'll come back more often. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Dude, look at all these cops. This is crazy. This is crazy.